I'm Jenny Brockie. Tonight on Insight, twins. Now, when did you first realise you could sing together?
That happened in primary school, and a teacher, Mrs. Barrett, wasn't it, came up, she was looking for people in the choir, and she kind of just pulled me out, whoever friends that I was with then, and said, hey mate, sing. Right.
Everyone just sort of sang a bit. We sung, and then she sort of noticed that we sang well together, and then we didn't really know how to sing harmonies, but we just naturally did.
It just fit together.
It just seemed better if we did a
instead of doing it unison, better just to sing, you know.
How would you be solo?
Hopeless. Rubbish. Like, we could always sing together, but as a solo voice, we don't have particularly remarkable voices.
Okay. Sarah, you're studying whether singing ability is inherited. Why?
Well, for this very reason, that we don't know why. And it's another complex skill that tells us things that are unique about being human.
And you're using twins to find that out?
Correct. So there's no study yet that's looked at whether or not singing ability is heritable. Just in the last little while, with this shift in genetic research, this explosion of knowledge, there's been about 20 to 30 studies. So it's pretty early on. The field's in its infancy, but it's really pointing to genetic factors. And I guess we're not surprised by that, again, for all the reasons that we've talked about. And the area that's coming out as perhaps most interesting is in pitch. So that's that ability to sing in tune or to hear small differences. Something's out of tune, tune in or tune out to each other. And that's where the strongest research is pointing to, which we know is a very specific musical skill.
And saying that pitch there's a strong genetic component in pitch.
Correct.
What else have you found has a genetic component? I mean, there's some interesting studies around the amount you practice.
Yeah, this is kind of the twist in this recent story, which is quite interesting. So it used to be this idea if you just did all this practice. But as it turns out, there's just 2 recent studies that have come out that suggest that how much you practice is also genetically determined. So they'll bring out, if you have a latent pitch ability and then you have a propensity to practice, these 2 things will interact.
How would you like to use the research? What would you like to see that come out of it?
When we think about musical ability as a whole, it's not just one ability, it's many abilities. So there's pitch, there's rhythm, there's the harmony, there's the emotional aspects. And what we can do in these complex skills is begin to tease these things apart, understand what might have a stronger genetic drive, what might be more environmentally determined, and how one may interact with the other. And so produce better educational programs.
Okay.